A security researcher found a copy of the FBI's terrorist watch list that was exposed online for 3 weeks between July 19 and August 9th of 2021. Known as the FBI Terrorist Screening Center, this database was created in 2003 as a response to the 9/11 terrorist attacks. It's managed by the FBI. The database contains the names and personal activities and details of individuals who are known or reasonably suspected of being involved in terrorist activities or other malfeasance. While the database is managed by the FBI, the agency also provides access to several other U.S. government agencies, such as the Department of State, the Department of Defense, the TSA or Transportation Security Authority, the Customs and Border Protection, and even some international law enforcement partners. The main purpose of this database is to keep data on suspected terrorists, but it is also known in popular culture as the U.S. no-fly list, being used by U.S. authorities and international airlines to allow entry into the United States or even to travel within the U.S. The exposed server was taken down after 3 weeks after being reported. In a Twitter post on July 19, Bob Diachenko, cyber threat intelligence director at security firm Security Discovery, asked about who to report this exposed system to. Then, on August 16, Bob posted a blog on his LinkedIn and further stated that he discovered the copy of the TSC database on an IP address in Bahrain in the Middle East. Links to all of these are in the description. The exposed Elasticsearch cluster contained 1.9 million records, Diachenko said. I do not know how much of the full TSC watch list is stored, but it seems plausible to him that the entire list was exposed. The information exposed in this leak included such data points such as the full name of the individual, the TSC watch list ID, the citizenship of the individual, the gender, date, passport number, country of issuance of the passport, and their no-fly indicator. Diachenko also said he notified the Department of Homeland Security on July 19th, the day that the database was also indexed by search engines Census and Zoomeye, and when he also found it. It is unclear if the exposed Elasticsearch server was managed by a U.S. agency or one of its partners, or if it was obtained illegally. Without knowing this, and without knowing who is to blame for this leak, it is unclear if the FBI or DHS will have to notify U.S. citizens that are in the list, that they were added to the no-fly list, and that their data was exposed online. The TSC watch list is a highly controversial topic. The ACLU, for example, has for many, many years looked at fighting against using a secret government database or government no-fly list without having due process. So what is the danger here? Well, the terrorist watch list is made up of people who are suspected of terrorism, but have not necessarily been charged with a crime. In the wrong hands, this list could be used to oppress, harass, or persecute people on that list and their families. It could also cause a number of personal and professional problems for innocent people whose names could have been included in the list. Well, that's all the information we have for you guys today. As we find more information on this topic, we'll post another video. In the meanwhile, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy this content, please consider subscribing and liking this video. And if you want to support what I do, please visit my bio link to support us by purchasing our new channel merchandise. All links are in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, practice safe cyber. Until next time.